Oh, Shane, what we got here today? Bada bing, 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 bing. Call this guy up. All right, so this is it, huh?
Yeah, that's it. Okay, so what was happening, this is the old box. It's been here for a little over 15 years. It's called a blue box. It programs the timer for the parking lot lights outside. So you can see this digital screen's off. It's gone, you know what I'm saying?
And you couldn't just buy that, huh?
You would think, right? So what happened is I called Equities. They're the one that takes over this system, this lighting control box. And Equities, like, they phased this box out and they're not making it no more. They're not making no parts or anything. But right now what we're doing is they're retrofitting them with these boxes.
Okay.
I purchased this box. But when I got it, I'm like, man, this box, it has this, it's the same exact one that they requested that retrofits it. But it's bigger, you know what I'm saying?
Yep.
It's bigger, it's longer.
So we gotta cut this off, huh?
Yeah, that's what.
Huh.
And then it looks like the power, it's just coming from here. So I think we could kill that, or I could kill the whole power in here completely.
Yeah. These are all lights, right?
Yeah, those are all lights, and there's probably like 6 lights on each relay. So there's over like 70 pole lights out there.
Out here with my man Shane, trying to fix these lights. He runs all these commercial buildings, and gonna see if we can get this thing fixed for him. Never worked on this shit before, but it can't be that hard, right? See what we got.
Motherfucker. Come on, yeah. Shit right. That's why I hate electricity, bro.
Yeah.
Man.
Okay. Bada bing, 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 bing.
Down in San Diego, and my oldest daughter, her boyfriend proposed her and shit. So this motherfucker, he calls me up when I'm on my way out to get my brother. Hey, Mr. Granger, just being real skittish on the phone. So I hung up on his ass, like, bam. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
He calls right back. No, Mr. Granger, I just, you know, me and your daughter's been together for 5 years, and you know I love her, and I just want to ask you for her hand in marriage.
Oh,
I
shit.
hang up on that motherfucker again, bam. Right? So he calls back, man. He calls back like, "No, Mr. Granger, I love her." I was like, "Bro, I don't know, man.
Get the hell out of here with that shit, boy."
Yeah, you got to meet the rest of the family. So ironically, we're having the dinner for my brother getting out of jail. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah.
At my other brother's restaurant down in San Diego. So I'm like, man, just meet us down there in San Diego. So he meets us down there. We apply the pressure on him, have him shaking like a hooker in church. You know
Yeah. The same size?
Yeah, that's it. There you go. Yeah, but he's cool. Like, it's always been positive, you know what I'm saying? Our interactions, he's financially stable. And she loves him, so I'm like, I'm cool. I'm happy for her.
Well, as long as he takes care of her.
That's it, man. You know what I mean? You ain't touching her and fucking
Acting foolish.
yeah.
Alright, hold on a second. Alright. Well, let's go to that hole right there.
Yep.
No, do that knockout first.
for her early. She was handling business.
Telling you, man. These kids don't get it nowadays, bro.
Nah, like you didn't.
I'm trying to give her everything on a silver platter.
Right, laid out for
And they don't want it.
them. Yeah. But it be those ones that didn't have parents like that. You know what I'm saying? Understand that.
Yep.
My dad was fucking shit.
They don't want it, man. Okay, so okay. That's good in there. Let's get it started. Okay. That's the right screw. Is that the right screw? Yeah. Okay, one more. Fire it up. Like dominoes, huh? You got the book. Just program it now. Get that. You can buy this. You know what I mean? You can get the connector to crimp that, right?
Right.
And plug it in the back. You might not even need that shit though.
Updated by the settings in progress.
But I think you're gonna need this to update that shit for the LAN.
For how? Hey.
To update it, you're gonna have to connect it to the LAN.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying?
Right.
So they sell these connectors at Home Depot.
Yeah, I seen them.
You seen them?
Yeah.
And you plug it
For
in.
the Ethernet.
Yep.
The Ethernet.
That's what you're gonna have to do, brother.
Oh yeah.
This shit's fucking all.
Nice.
It's better than spending $2,000 or $3,000, bro.
I think you did good.
Huh?
I think you did good.
Better than spending $2 or $3 grand. All right. I'll take care of it, man. Have a good New Year, bro. Basically what that was, it was just a timer. Shane's a good friend of mine, and he's a maintenance manager out there, and it was a just a lighting control panel. So we had to rip the whole panel out and put a new one in because that panel's obsolete now, and they don't just sell the timer. So he didn't feel comfortable ripping that panel off, so I helped him rip it off, rewire everything. Was it perfect? Probably not, up as far as like neatness, but got it done. And now the panel works. You can program it, set the lights, and it's back up and running, man. So yeah, wasn't too bad. About 2 hours, we got it all ripped out and put back in, so pretty easy. He just, like I say, he didn't feel comfortable ripping it off himself, so I went out there and helped him out. And now I'm gonna go home, take my wife out to breakfast, and enjoy Sunday. All right, it's on to the next one, man. Out here in Hemet, headed back home. All right, have a good one. Thanks for watching.